What it do, YouTuber? Coming with you back with another video. Trying to see how this stuff gonna come out. Trying to see how it's gonna come out, man. I'm about to drag it on out, let it sit for a few minutes, and see if I can knock some of that paint off, some of that paint and primer on there. Just want to give y'all a little glimpse. Fucking love this camera. Let's go. Yeah, man. Throw some water on it in a minute. Get back to y'all. Finished product. Cleaned up pretty nice. Just gotta do the backside. Came pretty out nice, man. Just stepped on one of them. Sheesh. Gotta do the back, man. Don't mind the music in the background. Alright, fam, I'm back. I'm back. Cool looking process, man. I'm so happy with it. Little mark right there, but that's cool. Yes, sir. That's dope, man. Bring the rest of the stuff out so we can what's in there, man. Get it going. But this is the finished product. It's cool. Good enough for me. It's good enough for me, man. Tomorrow's video, well, I'll just let y'all see it. I'll just let y'all see it, man. Yeah, man. Came out pretty good, man. It came out pretty good, man. I'm happy. Happy the way they turned out. Super happy the way it turned out. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, man. Hit that button so y'all know every video that's coming out. You know what I mean? Make sure y'all go subscribe. I'm gonna pull some more stuff out for y'all and try to add this all one video. This is supposed to be part 2, so car. But alright, man. Get back to y'all. Try to learn how to edit and put everything together so y'all can see what I mean. Alright, gone.